Slay the Spire. Okay, today maglalaro tayo ng Slay the Spire. Wow, amazing game. So Slay the Spire is basically a game, roguelike na game. Turn-based roguelike card game. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-explain sa inyo. Pero let's just start and play the game. Standard? Embark on a quest to slay the spire. Oh yes. Who's your character? Duck. Ooh. Ngayon pa lang natin lalaro itong game na to and really don't know kung ano tong game na to. How it will play out para sa akin. But all I know, it's a roguelike and I like roguelikes. Exodium. Like starting room. Enemies. Oh my god. Parang inscription. Holy shit. Okay, so mag-start tayo dito. Tutorial. Defeat enemies by playing cards from your hand. Cards required energy. Ooh, requires energy to play. Once you are out, end your turn. At the start of your turn, new cards are drawn and your energy is replenished. Ooh, it is a turn-based card roguelike game. Play defensive cards to gain block when enemies are about to attack you. Okay, block reduces incoming attack damage, but wears off at the start of the next. Ooh. During your turn, you can observe an enemy intent above them. If an enemy's intent on attacking you, be sure to block. Ooh. Even see intent. Strategic. This enemy intends to use a buff. So, atakin natin siya, right? Do you... Ooh! Natakin yung sarili ko. I attack. Then attack again. Tapos... and turn. Pwede ko bang i-conserve yung energy na yun? It's maging for... hindi. Okay. Intense to attack. Okay, so kailangan natin mag-block. At na siya. Ooh, that's... ang angas naman ng game na to. Attack! Haha! No more cards. If there are no cards to draw, your discard pile shuffled into a... Ooh, okay. Parang Yu-Gi-Oh to ah. Ano ba yung intent niya? How do you see intent? Aggressive, intent so at kailangan ko siyang ipong and then defend. Nice one! Then attack for 12. Atakin ko na lang siya para maubo. You are dead, mate. In potion. Add a card to your embark. Dark Embrace. Whenever a card is exhausted, draw one. Ooh. Cost one less. For each time you lose HP, this heal. Oh. Heal damage equals to block. Ang gusto ko to. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nun para sige. Yay! The Spire! Oh shit, akala mo mag-block. Strategic. This enemy intends to... Oh shit. No! Weaken. Attack the... Oh no. Brace! Ooh, anong ginagawa nun? Paano mo i-exhaust yung card? Hindi ko gets. Pag naubos ba? Exhaust. Wait, hindi ko pa rin gets. Deal big EP damage and then apply block and end turn. Tapos tayo na lang natin siya. Nice one! Easy win. Maintain your deck. Draw one card, put a card from your hand onto the top of your profile exhaust. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano tong exhaust. Remove until end of combat. Still have a lot to learn. Flame barrier, gain 12 block whenever you are attacked this turn. Ooh. Yes. Question mark? Curl up. Laos. Tatakin niya ako. Okay, cool. Atake ba siya? Ooh, paano kung gawin ko ito? Balik sa kanya yan. Ooh, yes. No kill. That. Hell yes. 12 card. Deal. Yun. Grenade. This card is in your hand that end is exhausted. Exhausted cards are removed from your deck until the end of combat. Ooh. Ganun yung ginagawa ng exhaust. Or yun yung anong effect na ito. Exhaust. All non-attack cards in your hand and move on. Hindi ko pa rin gets yung kung ano yung exhaust. Pero, sige, tuloy lang. Whenever a card is exhaust, draw one card. Paano ko ma-exhaust yung card kapag nagamit ko na ba? Still good, don't get it. Masyadong focus dun sa exhaust. Oh shit. Bong. Harry. Yo! Okay, try natin ito. Oh my god. He's dead. He dead. Okay. Wards. Deal 9 damage, draw 1 card. Oh, that's good. The heck? Yo horn. So, intend niya akong atakihin, then lock na lang. Lick! Ew! Okay! Okay! Dusted. And block that. Eh, shit. Nag-strength siya. Na-weaken na lang. Na-weaken? Alam ko na. Strike. Then, block. Nice. Atake din siya. Exhaust. Wala silang plan na umatak. Ito na lang to. Attack siya. Select. Ganda naman ako. Natin ko. Intent siyang umatak. Boom. Nice. Natin siya. Plus natin. Kawan. Oh, okay. Gets ko na exhaust. Basta kapag something na magdidil ng exhaust, matitrigger ito kapag nice. And bong. Bong. Tatanggalin yung effect niyan. Okay. Strength. So, dagdag na naman sa attack niya. Siyempre, atakin na lang natin siya. Hell yeah! Real. Ooh! Mas maganda. Share a bit of. Bawas pa rin ba yung bawas pa rin yung HP ko. What the heck? Enjoy beast. Oh no, atakin niya ako. Oh no. Ba't ano ka ng heal? Hintan din siyang umatap. Yan. Nice. And hindi siya nag-hintan na mag-attack. Nice one. Snacky oil. Neko oil. Pro 5. Oh. Heal H dam. Oh. Corruption. Skill cost 0 whenever you play a skill. Oh. Hindi ko maintindihan yun para sige. Oh shit. No. Mali na pili ko. Hindi siya naging... cancel to. Right click. Nice. Back up siya. Whenever you play a skill, gain 2 strength. Mag-intan siya mag-attack. Attack natin. Let. Then. 13 yun. 18 bawas 5. Ang damage lang. Oh my god, mali. Oh! Block. Oh my. Wag-block ko lahat yun. Block. Ay, on. Oh no, I'm dead. Clear out. Block. Ash. 45? I'm dead.
Fatality.
Ano ba yan? We're not slaying the spires today. Luck remaining. Oh. New character. Greetings. I am Niao. Please confront the first boss. Enemies in your next 3 combats. Oh, that's a buff. Thank you, whale. Wherever you are. Iba din yung ano niya. Skill, defend. Skill. Okay, nice. O nga pala, 1 HP halos lahat ng enemy ko. Discard your hand and draw that many card. Exhaust. Alam. 1 HP lang ulit ng enemy ko dito. Daming nangyayari. Ano ka magdi-discard? Oh, hindi pala. Oh, ito. Oh shit. HP na nga lang kasi. Ay. Nice one. Heal 6 damage. H 8. Ooh. Ano ang dami nila? Defend lang muna tayo. Dami nilang atake oh. Shit. Ulit. Ah, my god. Neutralize. Oh, 0 lang. Nice. E. Weekend. Active. Okay. Back tayo. Oh my god, ang pangit nun. 2 times lang. Oh my god. Kupal. E. Tap. 5, 4. Nice. Ikan doon naman, tapos 5. Nice one. Card. Ay, 2 week, gain 11. Ito, maganda. Okay, remove a card from your deck. Oh no. Tatanggal tayo ng card sa deck. Tanggal na lang tayo ng deck. Smith. Bang! Ang cute naman nila. Tiny plush. Nag-block. Dahil attack. Ulit. Parang nag-block siya. Di ba? We got 2 and oh my god. Tong. Oh, we can now. In block. In block. In block. Pong or game. Natin na natin siya. Yes. Perlet. Ito, nag-block na lang ito eh. Okay. Ano? Yan. Oh. Eh? Roulette? Nice. Ito, nag-block na lang to eh. Itong isa dito. So, hindi natin siya kailangan atakin muna. Oh no. No, don't hit me, no. Fuck. Nice. Okay. Thingy, skewer. Die. Nice. Unplayable card. Bonfire. Mag-rest. Wala tayong HP. Wala. Mango. For those who know, mango. So far, na-enjoy ko tong game. I mean, addicted nga ako sa roguelike. So, yeah. Nagpan siya mag-attack. Weaken natin yung damage niya. So 1 na lang. Nice. Tanggal yung ano. Hindi siya mag-attack. Okay. Attack lang natin lahat. Well, may turon. Discard 1 card. Discard natin to. May 1 turn. Ay, sabi na lang naman natin. Quick math calculations. Ayun. Maling black, tiny. Nice one. That's na pala. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no, sayang. Sayang yun. Nakakalimutan ko gamitin yun. Attacking! This one. Ayun ang game na to. This addicting. Deal for damage to all enemies. Yes, absolutely need that. Ano? Under the mushroom. Twist, parasite. Under the mushroom. Bite. Nagtanong matak ng dalawa. Damage. Tiny. Place at sakit. Bong. Yun, nice one. Computed ko na lahat yun sa utak. But, this one. Oh shit, 9 pala yun chat. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit. Block tayo sa for start na kung enemy and yun siya. Bitin lang yung attack, sakto, then strength. Kailangan kong patayin ko. Ito. Nice one. Yun lang. Natay energy eh. Oh, ngayon babak ka. Oh, 18. And utilize natin, bawasan yung damage. Siya pwedeng i-play. Oh, dance na pala siya. Okay, nice. And dami na din natin pera. Ito, merchant. Yes. Draw 3 cards. Exhaust. You cannot draw additional cards this turn. Reduce the cost of all cards in your 0 this turn. Yes! Tapos, ano to? Oh. Yun lang yung pera ko. Thank you, Machen. Zero lahat. Zero lahat. Let's go. Oh. Oh my god, ninanak niya yung gold. Tiny. Oh. Easy win! Easy win! Stop taking my gold, you goblin. Eviscerate. Plus 1 less for each turn. Deals damage 3 times. Wala akong potion. I cannot use. Discard na lang. Yun, the seal. We're gonna slay the spire? Gonna slay the spire? We're gonna slay... Yes! Mode shift. So, nag-plan siya mag-block. To receive metal damage change just to defensive. Oh! So, pag two cards. Nice. Atake ba siya? Defense. Destroy! 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 Oh! Oh shit. Oh shit. Play me? Kayo anti na lang. Hindi. Nag-dap siya, oh! Kailangan ko lang mag-deal ng 30 damage kapag Perfide. Never attack, 50 damage, no. Ito na lang yung turn ko muna. I-atake siya, oh fuck. Okay, nice. Wala tayong energy. Talo ko kaya siya. Oh my god. Ooh. 5 times for 20 damage. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
No! Black. Yun. Smoke bomb. Oh yeah, yung potion. Oh my god, yung potion. Nakalimutan kong gamitin kanina. Ano ba yan? Gain focus. Heal 5 if you have played less than 3 cards. Yes. Yes. Para tayong yung parang similar tayo sa Spire kanina. Diba? That's why he's called the Thief. Nice one. Dead. A card. Evoke. This game is fun. 30 gold. Purify. Remove a card from your... HP is fine, dude. Hindi shimmering. Yes! Yes! Doesn't matter though. May heal na ako dito. Okay. Stop. Add natin to. Okay. Nice. Saktong sakto. Dual cash. Okay. Dual cash. No, hindi mo na siya nag... Ayun! Oh my god. Ito lang pala. Draw 7, heal 7, damage, draw star. Yes. I like gambling. Palagan natin yan, Ili. Sige. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Full pass. Oh, para siyang crab. Siyang ginawa. Usap. Strike. Attack siya ng 18. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh no. And eat. Ito lang ulit. 5 na yung damage ko. Okay. Faster than light. Reference sa game na faster than light ah. Nice. Siphon Soul. Oh no. Oh no. Di pa na siya namatay. Oh no. Oh shit. I-block natin. Jump. So block flick. That was a bad call. Dapat pala pinatay ko na lang siya. Oh no. Back. Low pass. Nice. Oh my god, napindot ko ng mabilis. Masyado akong hype up para sa game na. Yung bonfire, yes! We're alive! Bonfire ulit. Okay. At dapat binabasa ko yun. Ano yung ginagawa nun? Hindi yung pindot lang ng pindot. Hello, mushroom. Mushroom rat. Anong ginagawa nun? Oh. Oh. Yes! Heal! May heal na. Okay lang pala na napindot ko yun. Heal pala yun. Hidden light, defend, straight that shit. Then, hidden light left, and oh my god. Bakit bilis ko i-process lahat yun? That's how goated I am. I am learning. Ata yung... Ano ba yung trigger? Hindi. In the... Right. Head. Heal 3 damage if the enemies and gain 6 blocks. Decrease discards. Energy exhaust. Hindi ko alam paano ginagawa nun. Hey, you. You're different. Oh! May repair ako dito. And the top. Sideline may heal sa akin. Ayan. Job. Alter. May heal pa rin ako na 7. Peace. Hindi random power card into your hand. It was 0. Yes. Natin to. Zap. Defend. Dual cast. Strike ulit. Advance na yung isa. Pong. Okay. Try. Ito yung heal ko. Ayun, heal. Ito, tas faster than light. Cheat sync. Ano to? Oh. So I'm a machine. Machine. Turn back now. Damage niya ng 7, pero mag-heal ako ng 7. Ano? Nice one. Action. Panel 1 light. Whenever you receive a unblock. Okay. Lang. Mercury Glass. Tapos na lang tayo para mag-heal. Then slay the spire. That is not the what? Oh, so basically random yung bosses. So, yung intention, hindi ko mabasa yung intention niya. The lightning. Double your energy exhaust. Atake siya. Oh my god, what? Second light. Spawn. Sarap. Nice. Die. 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 Mamatay pa ako. Hindi 6 lang. Okay, nice. Ang blade, diamond helmet. Certain light, lightning. Zap, nadagdagan yung ano niya. Volt. Okay, nice. Oh no, 10. Hindi, 5 times 2, that's 10. 10. Mga. Damage ako for that. Damage ako. That's okay. That's it. To defend. That's. I'm gonna win. Oh shit. And defend. 15. Okay, 14 yung damage. Faster than light. And he's dead. He's gonna die. Yes! I win! I slay the spire. Put one card from... Oh, saglit. Oh my god. I killed the boss. Prevent the next time you would lose HP. Put one card from your draw pile into your hand. Exhaust. Yes. Exhaust. Whoa. Sneko Eye. At the start of your turn, draw 2 additional cards. Confused. No. Gain... Start of your turn, you can no longer gain gold. Don't even need gold. Ano yung non-boss siya? Gain first. No. This one. What? That's just... It was just the first boss. It was not the spire. Oh no. Okay. Siguro yan ko na muna dito yung video. Tuloy natin to ulit by the next video. So, that was not the spire. Okay, so isang boss lang yan sa first level ng spire. The lore just gets deeper. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, like, share, subscribe, share nyo to sa mga kaibigan nyong Tokmol na gusto maglaro ng roguelike. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye!